The problem with Toyota Corolla is that the battery light comes on after starting the car engine. When the fuel accelerator is depressed while driving, the battery light is still displayed on the meter. No problem while driving. What is the problem with the car? The battery light is on. Now I will go outside the car and test the alternator charging volts. Now I will check the charging voltage with battery and electrical system analyzer. Connect the black wire to the battery negative and the red wire to the battery positive. Now normal charging is more than 13 volts. Alternator charging goes up to 16 to 18 volts. The more you press the fuel accelerator, the higher the charging voltage, the more it means the alternator is overcharging the battery. Remember that a good alternator should maintain battery voltage between 13.90 and 14.80 volts. Two common causes of overcharging: number 1, damage can be due to battery; number 2, alternator faulty voltage regulator or transistor. First I will test the battery voltage of the car. Check that the car battery is more than 12 volts. There is no problem with the car battery. Change if your car battery is not charged. There is no problem with this car's battery, so now I will take the car's alternator apart to change it. Alternator battery overcharging is caused by faulty voltage regulator or transistor problems. Look, I opened the alternator and brought it out. Repair the alternator if you can. Replace faulty voltage regulator or transistor. But the owner of this car will not repair the alternator, so I will replace this alternator and install a new one. I will install this new alternator in the car. See the new alternator installed and completed. Before opening the alternator, you must open the negative side of the battery terminal. Now that I have completed the alternator installation, I will now connect the battery negative terminal. Now I will go inside the car and start the car engine and check. First turn the ignition key switch to the on position and see if the battery light is on. If the battery light is on, there is no problem. Now I will start the engine. See now, after starting the engine, the battery light is off. Battery light no longer turns on when fuel accelerator is pressed. Inshallah, see if the fuel accelerator is pressed, the battery light does not turn on. Now go out and check the alternator charging voltage. Now I will see if the battery is overcharging or not. Battery test meter and fuel accelerator press, no more battery overcharging problem. Alternator charging 14.45 volts is okay. If you benefit from watching the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.